out. I've been slowly getting stuff done. Nothing super interesting, just notching tubes and getting stuff all prepped up, welded as much as I can. So I did a little time lapse when I was welding this up and when I took everything off the back end, all the IRS stuff out and all that. And I didn't film getting it set up for the rotisserie, but you can see I got both pieces on there. The one stands over there and the other stands back there. So hopefully this week, maybe tomorrow, which would be Monday, and then Tuesday or Wednesday I can get this thing up, roll it around. I kind of just eyeballed it to get it, center of gravity on the chassis so it'll spin around. But if it's a hair heavy or hair light on the top, I can either counterweight the bottom or counterweight the top. So hopefully it'll just be able to just spin around and it'll stop when I need it to. But yeah, the only thing I have for this is kind of just like a little time-lapse video of taking all this stuff apart. And then once I get it flipped upside down, a buddy of mine's gonna let me borrow his mag drill. And I'm gonna get slugs made for the front so I can drill the holes out and then actually bolt the subframe, the front subframe up, and then I have to just finish welding out the front shock mounts, and I think that's it. I bought the springs. I got the springs over there. Now all I need is the actual shocks. So hopefully in the next few weeks I'll have those here. So yeah, I guess that's it for this. So yeah, those didn't come out too bad. I definitely need a little bit of practice with superposition fucking MIG welding like this, but everything looks alright. There's a few spots I need to fix. That guy up there, it's got a humpy spot on it. When you saw me get the map gas torch out, that wasn't for that wasn't to preheat the material like you would normally do if you didn't have a machine that had enough power. That was if there was already a weld, like you can see here, I heated where I was tying into it, so it basically warmed the material up, because MIG welders start off cold. And yeah. Still got to do those joints, but I'm going to wait till I get this thing on the rotisserie. Now those ones will be upside down there. Like that one's done, but the bottom one I still need to get. But it's coming along now that the back is all off. But that also gives me a chance to I'm probably going to make some Delrin bushings for those two guys, and I might get some plates cut and kind of brace the bottoms up like they do, because they're basically just stock lower control arms for an S14. It's starting to look like a chassis now.